everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Beef stew with chicken broth is very delicious and very easy to make. And I'm going to show you today how to make beef stew recipe. Let's get started. These are the ingredients I'm going to use. 2.5 pound beef, mushroom I cut into thin slices, 4 potatoes peeled and cut into small pieces and put it in cold water so they won't get discolored. Then frozen pea, 1 cup, 1 chili, 2 teaspoons garlic and 2 teaspoons ginger. All-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons. When to use it, that I'll share with you. And 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Olive oil. I have 4 carrots cut into small pieces. And 1 bell pepper. 1 diced onion. 32 ounce, which is 4 cup chicken broth. Spices from Masala Dabba. I always list my ingredient list under the description, so please check it out. And let's start making our delicious beef stew with chicken broth. Start burner and get a fry pan. Add olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Let the oil start to heat up. We're going to add beef. We're going to cook the beef until it's nicely brown. Half teaspoon salt. Keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking for 10 minutes. The beef is nicely brown. And I'm going to transfer this meat into the big pot. We're going to make beef stew in this big pot, so I'll transfer this one over. All the leftover, I'm going to add 1 cup water, and I'm going to make sure that I scrape out this is all the flavor from the beef. All the good stuff from our beef. So once the water starts to boil, then we're going to transfer this one into the meat. We'll transfer into the bigger pot. In the same pan, I'm going to add some more olive oil. 2 teaspoons olive oil. Now we're going to add onion. Mix it. Same time we're going to add carrots. Cooking onion and carrots for 5 minutes. Now we're going to add ginger and garlic. Mix it well, and once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add green chili. So keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking for another 2 minutes. Now we're going to add capsicum, the green bell pepper. Mix it. We're going to cook for 1 minute. Another minute of cooking. This is all done. Now we're going to transfer this one into the pot. In the same pan, now we're going to cook mushroom. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons butter. You can use olive oil if you like, But if you cook in butter, then the mushroom tastes really well. We're going to add mushroom. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined with the butter, add quarter teaspoon salt. Mix it well again. Keep it moving for 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes. The mushrooms are nicely cooked, and now we're going to add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. This is really important. This is going to help us to thicken our gravy, so keep it moving and keep cooking. Cooking all-purpose flour with mushroom for 2 minutes. Perfectly cooked. Now we're going to bring the pot into this burner. We're going to transfer the mushroom. Mix it. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to add tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons, and 1 tablespoon brown sugar. We're going to add 32-ounce chicken broth, which is 4 cups. If you haven't tried beef stew with the chicken broth, try it. It tastes really well. Mix it. Now I'm going to add seasoning, basil, parsley flake, marjoram, oregano, Italian seasoning, and rosemary. It's like a 1/8 of the spoon each. So basically, it's a 1 teaspoon. So mix it again, one more time. Now we're going to cover it with the lid. And we're going to bring it to boil. As you see, it started to boil. Mix it. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt, and roasted cumin, half teaspoon. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring your gas to simmer. Cover with the lid. We're going to let it simmer for 1 hour. It's exactly 1 hour on simmer. I'm going to open it. Mix it. It's looking very delicious. Nice aroma. Now we're going to add potatoes and peas. These are frozen peas. Mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, on simmer, cover with the lid, let it simmer for another half an hour. On simmer, cooking for another half an hour, I'll open it. Mix it well. Our beef stew is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas and out dish out. I have my serving bowl ready and I'm going to dish out. Let me share with you. Prior to serving, add some parsley. Beef stew recipe is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. This is very delicious. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking.